yum, yum. What's it doing?
Greedy. Well, you're going to make this one so fat and it's not going to get the actual nutrients.
Take a video.
You're already videoing.
Yeah, take one of me petting him.
He's going to finish this and wonder why he's so hungry.
Okay, get them another can. They didn't eat yesterday because it's snow.
They haven't eaten in like 2 days.
Yeah. Good kitty, good kitty.
What the hell did you do?
Too much petting.
He looks so drunk.
Oh, the mom.
Oh, hey. When the baby cat stares at you, why don't you slow blink at it? Everyone looks pregnant. Oh, he's done. Or maybe...
That one doesn't need a switch now.
Yeah, maybe he's sick. It's under our car now. Probably sent the mom.
Okay. So soft.
I know.
This one's so fluffy.
Yeah. How does it keep its fur so nice? Okay, just squeeze it out.
Psst, psst, psst. Baby.
I guess that's it.
Oh. Greeting.